Cats are very curious creatures. We don't know much about cats really. Cats love to play outside. Cats are really outdoor animals. They like to spend time outdoors. They like to climb trees, like this kitten, this tabby kitten over here. See how curious he is? Maybe she is. Cats love climbing trees or other objects. They do it all the time. It's part of being a cat, is ability to climb. That's how they developed over millions of years. And they do it really well, because they're well adapted for climbing. Because cats are born hunters and they need practice. They need climbing practice, they need hunting practice. It's like we humans need to be able to walk, they need to be able to run and climb. Same thing, especially climb trees, because that's how they hunt in nature. And playing outside helps cats to keep hunting skills alive. So very often those playing that you see outside by cats, it's really their kind of training, exercising. They hunt each other, they play with each other, trying to catch each other. It's all part of process of training their hunting skills. Yes, and they also need to stay in shape. So that's when they exercise, then they jump around, when they climb, they keep in shape. Apparently we should do the same. We also need to keep ourselves in shape. Look how curious he is. Here's another cat. It's a little bit older. Cats like to clean themselves. They do it quite often. And this cat, after he's gonna clean or she's gonna clean itself, yep, it's gonna lay down on dirty concrete. They do it all the time. They just drop on the dirty ground and dusty one. Such a wonderful, dirty, warm concrete. Well, actually, cat was seeking warm surface to lay down. Concrete was warmed by the sun. Apparently it's evening. Yes, didn't work out, huh? But it's okay. Next time. It wasn't that comfortable. Yeah, I'm looking at you. At how cute you are. Here's a different cat. This cat is in winter. Cats love to scratch things. They always do it. No, I'm gonna turn it off. They scratch. This is not a male cat. Scratching is necessary for cats' claws to keep claws sharp, because claws are cats' weapon. They're necessary for cats' survival in the wild. They catch prey, they climb, they do everything with their claws. That's why you need to scratch. So scratching is natural cat's instinct. Don't get offended when cat scratches furniture. That's what they do. Cats love comfort. Cats like to lay down and roll over, roll around. This cat obviously enjoys itself. Usually it's a sign that cat is in good mood, enjoying himself or herself or itself. Depends how you look at them. Cats like to play in the sun and on grass. They like to enjoy life, more or less. And they enjoy themselves too. Well, there's another cat. Cats also love to relax at home. Cats like home because it's safer there. They understand it. They love to play outside, but they love to be at home because at home cats love comfortable place to sit and watch around, so they could see everything around. They could see us humans do our human business. Cats must monitor and control their surroundings. It's another survival instinct. They need to see everything. Like this cat always knows cat always knows what's the best place to monitor events at home. So they always know how to find a spot from which they could see everything around and everybody around. They usually find such place and monitor the situation very well, because they need to know what's going on. In case they need to, there is a danger, there is a prey. And cats do sit a lot. What they do is they save energy. Save energy for for hunting, or for in case they need to escape or attack. They do it in a split second. They go from 0 to 100 very quickly. So cats do save energy for hunting or for escaping from danger. And that's why they sit and monitor a situation, just in case something happens. It's instinct. They are naturally born like that. Yes, they observe surroundings very carefully, and they see everything somehow. And they don't blink, apparently. Yeah, something's going on. So they look for any signs of prey like mouse, or any signs of danger like another cat or dog. Usually they monitor the situation very well. Sometimes they get too confident though. Yes, cats can sit for hours and hours and observe situations for hours. They can be very patient sometimes. Cats love bathrooms and cats love bathtubs. There is water inside, and cats are curious about the water. Bathroom has water, yes. And cats do not understand water very much. That's why they're curious. They're trying to understand what is it. It's neither thing for them, no air. And here's the Maine Coon. Maine Coon is one of the top breeds, and apparently they're from Maine. They're quite large, and allegedly, Maine Coons are native to New England or Maine. They're really big. Cats really like when we humans take care of them. They like us scratching them, they like us petting them, but gently, not to cross any boundaries, because they don't get it in the wild. And that's why they need us humans to pet them, because humans can pet them like nobody else. Everything else cats can pretty much do themselves, from sleeping to catching food and eating. So they really need us to pet them. Nobody else can do it except for us. Well, feed them too. But price for petting is feeding them. So we give them food and they allow us to pet them. That's a business exchange. It's a fair business exchange. Yes, food is cat's currency. I'm not saying you can buy a cat like this, because cats do have loyalty to humans. But your cat will be much happier if you feed it. When cats behave odd sometimes, we think they behave odd, but in reality they just hear and see things that we humans cannot, and that's why it seems to us they behave oddly. And they think we behave oddly because we don't hear that stuff. And here is another male cat in dominant position on top of the world, in controlling position of control. He observes things. He watches humans. Yeah, he asks if you human have any questions for him. He is ready to answer. Apparently we don't have too many questions. Cats like being comfortable. They like sofas, they like comfortable places. If there is a comfortable place in a house or at home, cat will always find it, and you'll find cat there. Because cat knows what's comfort. Cat knows comfort. Cat knows luxury. I don't know how they do it, but they know it. Yes, this photo shoot is again for humans. So he's gonna pretend that he is nice cat. Purr, purr. Here cat is in position of control. Cats like when it's warm. Cats like when it's dry. Cats like not to be bothered, to be in a place where no one can bother them. Here cat lies on top of radiator. It's very warm. Cat can control, monitor, observe and control a human from there. So it's pretty happy place to be for a cat. Alright, that's enough for today. See you in the next video.